Welcome, and for me is a TCL Z206 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible on the screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this loud sound along with the pop-up right here with share and edit option, which after a couple seconds it will disappear. There we go. And that screenshot that we have just captured can be located in our photo application. If I can actually locate that up. Oh, it has gallery here. That's why I couldn't locate it. So there we go. Once you open up the gallery, I can see there is our screenshot that I have, or at least my screenshot that I have just captured. So it can be found right here. And also if you go into folders, it most likely created as screenshots folder. And in here, you'll find only the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.